Every day, we waste hours jumping between browsers, chat tools, and apps, searching, writing, planning, doing the same steps over and over again. Now imagine if all of that, every click, every search, every workflow, could think with you. That's ChatGPT Atlas, and it's about to change how we use computers forever. For decades, browsers have been dumb windows to the internet. They show information, but they don't understand it. Atlas changes that. It's the first AI-native browser, designed from the ground up to think, understand, and act. Built on a new split-process architecture, Atlas keeps your interface fast while a local AI engine reads and interprets what's happening on every page in real time. Under the hood, Atlas blends local intelligence with cloud-scale reasoning. A lightweight GPT model runs right on your machine, analyzing what's on screen, spotting data patterns, and predicting what you might do next. For deeper reasoning, like complex research or multi-step tasks, it calls on the full GPT Cloud Engine. The result? Sub-second responses, seamless context switching, and privacy control baked right in. Atlas isn't just summarizing pages, it's understanding them. You can ask, compare these two APIs, and it'll open the docs, analyze them, and give you a technical breakdown instantly. Or say, book my flight next week and add it to my calendar, and Atlas will actually carry out the steps for you. This is more than convenience. It's a new computing paradigm. Where traditional browsers wait for your input, Atlas anticipates it. Where automation tools need scripts, Atlas learns your behavior and adapts. Where everything used to be fragmented, browser, chat, planner, research, Atlas unifies it into one intelligent workspace. It's faster, smarter, and built for the next decade of work, where AI isn't a sidekick, it's the system itself. ChatGPT Atlas isn't just another product, it's the bridge between human thought and machine execution, the future of how we compute, research, and build. This is the next big leap. This is Atlas. Follow DMLearning for more such videos.